video, I want to show you an amazing trick to basically take a high ISO photo and get rid of all the noise and get amazing photography like this photo that I sold in over 120 galleries around the world. One of my favorite photo ever. And there's a new trick in Lightroom that's been there for a while, but a lot of people don't know about it. Guys, meet me for free in Los Angeles in 6 amazing locations, places like El Matador, Griffiths Park, downtown LA, Rodeo Drive, for a nice photo walk. I'm promoting a movie called From Paris to Hollywood, coming out June 17th, but it's gonna be on pre-sale for June 10, and I need your help to, if you can buy it and get some friends to buy it. I'm trying to get 3,000 copies sold during the pre-sale period. And to thank you for that, I invite you for a free photo walk to get some training from me. There's a whole game where you can win a Fuji camera, a MacBook Air. To promote this movie, you'll find the links under the video. Come and see me in Los Angeles. I want to meet you and take some photo with you. All the information is under the video. Look at the sky. Look how noisy it is on the right side here. And look how clean that is. Is that insane? I want to show you the story of this photo. One night I was walking in Venice and I wanted to take a view of the Grand Canal. And this is a view that I got from the Academia Bridge. One of the most stunning view in the world. But there was so much people. There was so much people I couldn't put a tripod down. So what did I do? I shot the photo at 1250 ISO. This photo was for my galleries. I needed to make big prints. And how you do that at 1250 ISO? Well, let me show you. Let's retouch the photo together really quick using the natural drama formula, which is first the exposure. So on the exposure, I open the shadows, I bring down the highlights, you get a weird photo, but then you hold on the Option key on your Mac or the Alt key on Windows and you do the black point. What you see here in black is pure black point. And then the photo will reveal itself by moving the whites. And now we got a great exposure, very good exposure. But if I zoom in by clicking on it, look how noisy it is, 1250 ISO. And back in the day, you know, I used to take the ISO within Lightroom, but there's this new feature which is really cool. But first, let's finish retouching it. So the next step is, let's just tweak the white balance. I'm only going to add a bit of magenta because on this photo, there was a lot of magenta and it works really great. And I think all I want to do at this point is I want to crop it in 16:9 and maybe just lower the sky a little bit. So I'm going to use here a local, click on the little round, click on linear gradient, and I'm just going to make the very top of the photo, maybe that corner here, a little darker. Voila. But that's about it. Why? Because I want to focus the eyes of the person in the photo. Now I show you, there's a new feature that came out a while ago, but a lot of people don't know this. You right click and you go to Enhance. You get this window. And there's this feature here called Denoise. And look at the difference. Look at the noise here. I usually put it around 40. Look at this. Before. Yeah, you can't really tell. It's a little bit buggy as before after. But let's click on Enhance. Now, I must warn you, this is very time intensive. What that's going to do is create a new raw file, but with taking the noise out. You heard this right. Okay, I'm going to select both photos and press C on the keyboard so we can compare. So you see the new one has got this word called Enhance. I'm going to press Shift Tab to go full screen and we're going to click. And look at the sky. Look how noisy it is on the right side here. And look how clean that is. Is that insane? That is absolutely insane. It's so cleaner, it's not even funny. And now I give you a little bonus trick. If you want to make this photo a little more sharp, what you can do is, I like how the sky is very fuzzy and the water also. So what I do is, I'm just going to go here in the sharpening and I'm going to put roughly 100 of sharpening. When I use that technique, I put 100 of sharpening, but you see what it does? It brings the noise back a little bit, And so, but what you do is then you do the masking, you hold on the masking and you go all the way to the right. You hold on the Option key or the Alt key on the keyboard and you only do the sharpening on what's white. You see, that's what's going to happen when you do that. The sharpening is only on what's white. And now we got a very clean sky and a very sharp photo. But to take the sharpening even further, what you can do is take a little brush here, never do the sharpening globally, and add, you go down here, you add sharpness, you add texture, and you add clarity on the brush, and you just brush the buildings, only the buildings, not the water, not nothing else but just the building. And what that's going to do is going to make the building pretty sharp, and it's going to make the building pretty sharp and the sky really clean. Now, my galleries couldn't believe it, and this is one of my best-selling photo ever. And voila. Guys, meet me for free in Los Angeles in 6 amazing locations, places like El Matador, Griffiths Park, downtown LA, Rodeo Drive, for a nice photo walk. I'm promoting a movie called From Paris to Hollywood, coming out June 17th, but it's going to be on pre-sale for June 10, and I need your help to, if you can buy it and get some friends to buy it. I'm trying to get 3,000 copies sold during the pre-sale period. And to thank you for that, I invite you for a free photo walk to get some training from me. There's a whole game where you can win a Fuji camera, a MacBook Air. To promote this movie, you'll find the links under the video. Come and see me in Los Angeles. I want to meet you and take some photo with you. All the information is under the video.